Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. With another beautiful day, your teacher Tashwin is here for your English lecture. So kids, let's start from our cycle time. Okay kids, in our circle time we are going to talk about numbers. Okay, you have already completed your number 1 and number 2 from your student book, unit number 1, and today we are going to talk about number 3 and number 4. So before that, let's sing a number song with me, because I like this song. This is my favorite one, and I hope you will enjoy this song and you will also see the numbers 1 till 4. Okay, so let's start.
Monsters walking across the floor. I love counting, counting to the number 4. Oh yes, counting, counting with me. So 1 less than 5 and 1 more than 3. We're counting to 4. Let's count some more. 1, 2, 3, 4 penguins that went by the door. I love counting, counting to the number 4. I see 4 here, I see 4 there. My favorite number, nothing can compare. We're counting to 4. Let's count some more. 1, 2, 3, 4 chickens just back from the shore. I love counting, counting to the number 4. We're counting to 4. Let's count some more. 1, 2, 3, 4 chickens just back from the shore. 1, 2, 3, 4 penguins that were by the door. 1, 2, 3, 4 monsters walking across the floor. Counting to 4. Counting to 4. Counting to 4.
Oh, look, Fifi. It's a doll.
Yes, Benny?
Ooh. What's this?
It's a ball. Give me the ball, please, Benny. The ball. Now find the boat, Benny.
Okay. Help! What's this?
It's a teddy bear.
Oh.
One 30. sing, and do.
Look, 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 in the toy box. Toys for girls and toys for boys. Find a ball,
Bounce, bounce, bounce.
find a ball.
Oh, thank you.
Find a doll,
Wah, wah, wah.
find a doll.
Oh, thank you.
Find a boat,
Rock, rock, rock.
find a boat.
Oh, thank you.
Find a teddy bear,
Hug, hug, hug.
find a teddy bear.
Oh, thank you.
131. Listen and point. Listen and repeat.
3. 3 bees. 4. 4 doors.
132. Chant and do.
Fingers ready? Count, count, count. Can you count these things? Count, count, count. Can you count and sing?
We can count. 1, 2. And now we can count. 3. 3, 3, 3. Now we can count. 3. And buzz like bees. 3, 3, 3. And buzz like bees. 3, 3, 3. Now we can count. 3. We can count. 1, 2, 3. And now we can count. 4. 4, 4, 4. Now we can count. 4. And open the door. 4, 4, 4. And open the door. 4, 4, 4. Now we can count. 4.
Okay, first we are going to count the bees and then number, and then we are going to color it. Okay, let's count first. How many bees are there? 1, 2, 3 bees. How many bees? 3. And this number is 3. The outline of this number is blue, so I am going to color it blue. Okay, you can also start coloring with me. Color this number 3 with blue crayon. Okay, so how many bees were there? 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's look at these doors. How many doors are there? Let's count first. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many doors are there? 4. And the outline of this number 4 is given yellow. So I have taken yellow crayon. Let's color this number 4 with me. Okay kids, start coloring. and complete your coloring with yellow crayon. Okay, now you can see here are some toys, and you can see boards are given. Okay, let's see how many boards are there. 1, 2, 3. 3 boards. I have taken the green color and I am going to color these boards. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and these circles. Okay, let's count first. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's start coloring these circles. Let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Okay kids, it's a page, activity page number 18 from your activity book. We are going to find the objects. Okay, let's see. Characters are given over here. Prickly, Benny and Fifi. Okay, let's see what they can find out on their ways. Okay, we are going to start from this way. First we are going to start this way, and we are going this way. Let's go. Look, what's this? It's a doll. What's this? It's a doll. Okay, for the next we are going to start from this. Let's see what Benny can find out. Okay, we are going to start this way, going, and let's see what he can find out. Oh, look this. What's this? Look at this. What's this? It's a boat. What's this? It's a boat. Okay, let's see what Fifi can find out. We are going to start this way and going. Let's see. Oh, what's this? It's a ball. What's this? It's a ball. Okay, let's see. Again, Fifi is here, and let's see what he can find out. On his way, we have started this way. We are going from this way. Oh, look at this. What's this? It's a teddy bear. What's this? It's a teddy bear. Okay, what's this? It's a teddy bear. What's this? It's a doll. What's this? It's a boat. What's this? It's a ball. What's this? It's a teddy bear. Okay. Okay, we have finished our coloring. Now we are going to count and then say. Okay, let's start from number 1. Okay, let's see how many teddy bears are there. 1. How many teddy bears are there on this mat? 1. Okay, let's count how many boats are there. Okay, so you will find out with me. 1, 2. Is there any other boat we can find out? No, only 2 boats are there. So let's count again. 1, 2. Count with me. 1, 2. How many teddy bears were there? 1. Only 1. 1 teddy bear is there. Okay, and how many boats are there? 2. 1, 2. Okay, let's count how many balls are there. Let's count with me. 1, 2, 3. How many balls are there? 3. 1, 2, 3. I can see 2 bags also there. Okay, only 2 bags. 1, 2. Okay, I can find out 1 box. Okay, so let's reinforce again. Okay, 1 box of crayons. Okay, there is only 1 box, 1 teddy bear, 2 boats, 1, 2, and 2 bags. 1, 2. Let's see how many balls are there. 1, 2, 3. 3 balls are there, and also I can find out 3 crayons. 1, 2, 3. And I can see, let's count the books. Okay, I can see the books are there. So let's count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many books are there? 4 books. Okay, let's count again. I'm going to start from number 1. 1 teddy bear, 1 box of crayons. Okay, there is only 1 box and 1 teddy bear. Let's come to the number 2. I can find out 2 boats. 1, 2. 1, 2. And 2 bags. 1, 2. 1, 2. And I can see 3 balls. 1, 2, 3. How many balls? 3 balls. 1, 2, 3. And 3 crayons. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And I can see 4 books. How many books? 4 books. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 books. Now it's time to say bye bye. Take care. Allah Hafiz.